The motor removed from the machine. Today, the young man is going to convert this rotating motor into a generator. First, remove the motor housing. The shell is tightened with long screws. Just unscrew the long screw to remove the motor housing. Gently turn outward. The motor electronics are taken off. There's a lot of copper wire wrapped around the electronic coil. This is also the key to the power of the motor. Then the electrons are fixed to the device and turned, and the electrons of the device also rotated. Start the hand sander to polish the rotor electronically until all the grooves on the rotor are sanded off. The rotor becomes smooth and flat. Then prepare several magnets the size of a button, evenly and orderly placed on top of the rotor, in sequence until the rotor is full. Be aware of the acute discontinuity of magnet placement as shown in the video. Retrieve discarded discs, set on nails, and fix with hot melt adhesive. We found a PPC tube the size of a rotor. Put it on the rotor. Again, hold it in place with hot melt adhesive. Then mix and stir the epoxy tree and pour it inside the PVC tube. After 24 hours to dry, disassemble the disc and the PVC tube epoxy branch to integrate the magnet and rotor as a whole. Secure firmly. Again, the epoxy branches on the surface of the rotor are sanded. Make the surface smooth and flat. Then 2 bearings are embedded at both ends of the nail. Put the nail back in the nail coil. The nail size just fills the coil. Immediately after the nail coil is installed on the side of the housing, put the modified nail back into the coil. Cover the shell at the other end. Then install and tighten the long screw. The internal modification of the motor is completed.